Okay, we have a Trak CNC/manual flatbed engine lathe model TRL 1840SX. This machine serial number is 081CC16297. It was new in 2008 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a ProtoTrak SLX control. We are running the spindle right now. It is from 50 up to 2500 RPM. You have a D16 cam lock with a 2.36 inch hole through the spindle.
300 in the low.
300 in the low RPM.
600 in low.
600 in low. We're going to shift to the high range. It's a 2-speed headstock. Variable in each range.
500 in high.
500 in high. 1200 RPM in the high range. Okay. He's using the joystick to rapid the Z-axis. He's rapiding the X. You can see on the control it's used as a digital readout. When he does that, you also can use the digital hand wheels. He's using the hand wheel now. You can see the X-axis moving and the Z-axis. Machine has a 10 horsepower spindle, 4-position turret. Okay. Machine also has a manual tailstock with a number 6 Morse taper. Nope, it's not. It's number 6 Morse. Number 5 Morse taper. Number 5 Morse taper, and you have 6 inches of quill travel. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.